Namaste India, Pippo Cornejo Vlogs.
Please subscribe to our channel.
Like and share. Salamat. Hello guys. So do you like your room here?
Yes, fantastic room.
Yes guys, this is our first day overnight stay room here and we are going to stay one night here. This is double bed and this is single bed. And here they give wardrobe, television and all makeup things which I usually don't do. And this is toilet, huge toilet bathroom. And what I like is here they have balcony where you can sit and can have a cup of tea or coffee in the evening. Outside area is very beautiful. This is car park for the people who is staying here. And this is playing area for children, or in the evening you can walk in the garden. And I can see opposite of that there is lots of flat constructing, but the weather is, guys, I'm telling you, it look amazing, beautiful, all greenery here and we are enjoying.
Aloo paratha. So guys, we are having breakfast now here. It's alright. Yes, this. Aloo paratha I want. Oh, sorry, not this one. And I want this. What is this? Cheese sandwich?
Bread and butter.
Bread and butter. Alright. And Sham, what is this? Bataka. Bataka poha. Can you give me a little bit?
You remember this rice?
Yeah, 1 second.
Mamra.
Mamra. Bataka. Poka.
Batata means potato.
This is all non-veg.
Veg.
Veg. I mean veg breakfast, yeah? And this one, yogurt. Can I have yogurt?
Yes. Like this.
This is yogurt. Ibang klase ang breakfast din sa India. Lahat ay walang egg and sausage. Kasi to veg area. So we have yogurt. And what else this? Upma. Yan guys, upma. There is coffee and tea, and I think I like this one, watermelon juice. So better watermelon juice. So guys, naka-experience na ba kayo ng breakfast na puro vegetable, bawal ang egg and sausage sa hotel? Please leave a comment. Okay. This is BRG Budget Hotel near Statue of Unity. Here you are. Nina, you okay? Do you like your breakfast? Huh? This is mine. So Nina, you're enjoying breakfast, yeah? Yes. Guys, it's my first time talaga na kumain ng veg breakfast. All Indian food, Indian breakfast. It's nice. This is all like rice or with flour?
Which one?
All this flour, yeah? No rice.
This is rice.
This is rice, yeah. Nini like it, but I prepare yung sa mga hotel na like holiday na mga may sausage, may egg. Mas masarap para sa akin.
For me
This is nice. Why you don't take this?
Which one?
Melon juice.
I take that. This is your one.
Where is mine?
I don't know.
Mine is there.
Forget my one.
I forget my juice.
Cappuccino. What is this cappuccino?
That is of milk with this bonmita.
Bonmita, my favorite meat.
So guys, tikman natin itong isang to. What is this, ano? Like chapati?
Huh? There is fillet inside, potato fillet.
Potato fillet.
Aloo paratha.
Aloo paratha. Nice, nice. This one. Aloo paratha.
Not normal chapati. They will fill potato.
With potato inside. Masarap lang sila guys.
It should be with yogurt.
With yogurt. Ereo, parang puto. Parang puto sa Batangas. Nice. Yummy. And what is this? Sandwich.
They have butter chicken.
With butter. It's nice as well, huh? Delicious breakfast.
Mommy.
So guys, what do you think our breakfast here at BRG Hotel? For me, it's okay.
But you prepare
Yeah, I prefer non-veg. Non-veg, yeah. But this will do as well. It's nice, new experience. I really like it. Guys, thank you very much. We're going to eat this and then we're going to... So guys, nandito na tayo sa Valley of Garden. Yun ang kung nakikita nyo yun sa malayong yun ang Statue of Unity. So first, pasyalan muna natin ang Valley of Garden. Oh, it's beautiful garden, Nina. Look. Oh. Do you like this garden, Nina?
Yes, I see it also. Sunflower, look!
Look. Sa Valley, we will do as well at the back of our house, yeah?
Sunflower, really?
Yes.
Oh, look!
Luwang ng garden na to. Guys, napakaganda ng garden na to. Talagang dadayuhin nga ito ng mga turista. Hindi pa nga lang to open na sa Purin Torres, kaya lang after nga ng open to, nagkaroon naman ng pandemic. Kaya puro local foreign tourist pa ang pumupunta rito. So we are lucky that
So now look leopard.
we visited this place.
It's open.
Pag bumili kayo ng ticket ng Statue of Unity, free na ang pagpasok dito. So that is good. Look,
All kind
Ooh.
of flower. Look different.
look the birds. They're enjoying. And look the mountain. The beautiful view of mountain. So guys, talagang nakaka-enjoy mamasyal dito. Lalo ang weather ay maganda, hindi mainit. It's 1 o'clock or 1:30 in the afternoon.
2 o'clock.
2 o'clock now. I think there is
There is a selfie point this
selfie point here. Oh,
Look all flowers. How they are maintaining this view.
of course. This is property of government. Look. Valley of Flowers, Forest Department, Gujarat State. Ah, okay.
They said don't touch the handwriting there.
Hmm.
We are giving.
This is well maintained of Forest Department, Gujarat State. Hmm. Oh. Here you can do.
I am in.
I am. I am
I am
Bali.
in.
I am in
Of
Valley of Flowers,
Valley of
Gujarat, India. Ah, very beautiful. Hmm. Nine.
So guys, here is the selfie point. I am in Valley of Flowers.
Flowers, Gujarat, India. Okay, let's go. Anong masasabi nyo guys sa Valley of Flower? Maganda ba? Look at the mountain. Please leave a comment guys kung nagagandahan kayo sa Valley of Flowers ng Gujarat, India. I like this mountain. Very beautiful mountain. So we're going back there now, yeah? I asked Shama what is this for, so she teach me how to do. First, you have to put lemon, squeeze lemon, like this. Ine, can I have lemon?
Okay.
Because they always serve onion and lemon. Ganito pala yan, no? Lemon, tapos salt, and pepper. Oh, look, oh. Salt and pepper. Ine. And then you eat the young ones, guys. You don't taste onion. Don't taste onion at all.
Because of lemon.
Lemon,
Salt and pepper.
pepper.
But it should be fresh onion, huh?
Yeah, fresh onion. Very nice because of lemon, salt and pepper. Okay? Dinner at this hotel. This is BRG Hotel.
Yes, we are waiting.
It's like 2 kilometers away from Statue of Unity. Yeah?
And we booked dinner as well here. So we are going to have wonderful dinner here. We are waiting. Vegetarian only.
only, yeah?
In this area, guys, they sell only vegetarian food. I asked
Vegetarian.
only.
Okay.
If you want to eat non-veg, you have to go to village inside.
Where?
Village
Village.
inside.
Oh.
You can eat.
So let's see what food they are serving to us. Anyway, it's all vegetable. So guys, dumating na ang aming pagkain. Nine, dumating na ating pagkain. Ang famous na papadang. Okay guys. Come on. Shama, it's for you. Nine, this is for you.
Too much salt.
Nine, don't put too much salt. Are you diabetic? Why you're putting too much salt?
It's alright.
Okay, and this is for me. Look, famous papadam. So guys, after ng papadam, dumating na ang aming... What is this, Shama? Salad. Ah, this is salad. I thought this is starter for vegetarian.
No, salad.
Okay, so guys,
It's little bit long waiting, but we are still waiting.
it's alright. We can still wait.
Slowly.
Oh, come on, Nina. Look, Nina's favorite. Oh!
She don't like coriander.
Yeah, we have this with coriander. This is tomato. What's this?
Cucumber.
Carrots, and fresh,
That's my favorite.
Coriander.
fresh coriander with lemon, no? Cool. Come on, Madam Shama, eat. Why you
I'm
don't
waiting
eat?
for me.
You're waiting. Yeah? Come on, guys. Oh, sarap po. Onion, and then papadam, and now this salad.
Because these two are very hungry and they are waiting. But they take
This is
time.
our dinner. Very yummy.
Let's see what is coming for dinner. Thank you.
So guys, dumating na ang aming main course. We have this chapati. And what is this, Yama?
Paneer.
Paneer.
Mixed vegetables.
Mixed vegetable. And we have salad. This. So let's start na, Shama. Okay?
Okay, I will feed
Yeah, you feed Nini first.
first.
This paneer. Oh. Kakagutom eh. Maghapon kasi kami naglakad eh. Dahil dito sa aming mga pinasyalan sa Jungle Safari and Statue of Unity. So it's almost 9 PM na here, guys.
And Sana
Late
is
na
very
kaming
tired.
kumain.
Sana
And look,
is very
Nini, tired and hungry. Oh, Nini.
Chapati sana yan.
Nini with chapati.
Yung chapati.
I will give chapati to Nini. Nini, oh, chapati.
Oh my god.
And this one. Titikman na natin. So guys,
Spicy chicken.
so itong paneer, that is good quantity siya, Look. Ang paneer. Masarap to, puro vegetable. Oh, what is that?
Cauliflower.
Cauliflower. Cauliflower
I don't like
naman yun, oh. Can I have little bit, mate?
It's the hot.
Thank you, mate. That's good. Nina.
Obi khake so jaayegi. Le beta
Yes. Ano to, oh? Cauliflower daw, oh. And this one? What is this? Oh, it's so hot. Shama, can you serve me this? Mixed vegetable yan, yeah? Okay.
all vegetables.
All vegetable. That is nice. Very nice dinner. Okay. And this lovely chapati, guys. Oh, only 3 chapati.
They will give.
Only 3 chapati. 1 for Nine, 1 for Mami, and 1 for Bimbo. So, Yama, delicious?
It is nice.
Very nice?
Not very nice. It is nice.
Delicious, yeah? I like it. Okay.
It's good.
Good, yeah? So, let me taste as well. Tikman na natin ang paneer puri. This is paneer puri. This is the way how they eat, like this. Yeah, it's yummy. Delicious.
Yummy.
How about this one? How about this? This is mixed vegetable, yeah? But I like this paneer. And the last one. This one. Tikman na natin to. It's a little bit hard.
Cauliflower.
Cauliflower. Oh. Taste is very delicious. Very nice. So guys, kakain lang kami. Talagang gutom na. So guys, kahit puro vegetable lang, oh, talagang masarap din, oh. Iba-ibang lasa, pero mas pinakamasarap to, paneer. Tapos itong broccoli. And then mixed vegetables. So look, Nini is enjoying. Nini, you're enjoying, yeah?
What is going on?
This is broccoli. It's very delicious.
Cauliflower.
Sorry, cauliflower pala, cauliflower. But this one, paneer, is the best. And look, nag-serve na naman sila ng chapati. Bawal din ang rice. Walang unlimited rice din puro chapati.
Dal rice.
Dal and rice. May dal and rice pa raw na ibibigay. Let's see kung totoo sinasabi ni Madam Rama.
This
Pero-
is first dish of chapati.
But this chapati is
Chapati or parotta.
yummy. I like it.
Yes.
Nina, what do you want more? Nina, what do you want more? Nothing?
Spoon.
Okay, so guys, nag-i-enjoy kami sa aming vegetable dinner. So guys, akala ko'y tapos na. Meron pa palang darating na
Dal and rice.
pagkain sa amin sa dinner. Rice, jeera rice,
Fried jeera rice.
and this is always set, yeah?
Yeah.
When you
First you eat chapati curry,
Yeah.
and then dal and rice.
Okay, so after those vegetable and chapati, yan, hindi na nga naubos oh, kadami pang natira. Ano ka naman na rin mauubos, kadaming aray. Ang naubos lang, aring, what is this? Paneer, very delicious. And now, Nini is enjoying jeera rice. So, titikman natin guys, itong, is it masarap? Shema, masarap? Masarap?
I don't taste yet.
Madam Shama is hungry. She's try to take try.
It's very hot.
Ah, very hot. Let's see. Ah, and Nini as well. Nini. Okay. Oh, look, Nini. Alright. So guys, tapusin lang namin tong aming dinner, and then after this, I think it's time to sign off. Going to sleep now. Very tired. Whole day.
Shana is very tired.
Yeah, whole day. We travel from 6 o'clock in the morning until
5:30 she wake up.
until 8:30 p.m. we were outside. So guys, thank you for watching Bimbo Cornejo Vlogs. Continue to support us. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and keep following us on Facebook page and Instagram. Thank you.